What if you could drive a force of wonder? I'm Natalia. Welcome to the Nissan Ariya. I'm your host, taking you on an exciting journey of the Ariya, Nissan's next-gen fully electric crossover, showing you just how visionary this car really is. The Ariya represents a revolution in how the world thinks about electrification, and more importantly, where Nissan is headed. Heard of the Tama, their first ever electric car? What about the Leaf, the world's first mass-market electric car? Nissan has been innovating not only the technology, but also the concept of electrification as a part of daily life. Now with the Ariya, you'll experience Nissan intelligent mobility integrated into your everyday. The Ariya two-wheel drive model is ideal for urban commuters or first-time electric car owners. If you're after something with incredible performance, Ariya's e-Force twin-motor all-wheel control technology delivers a rush of acceleration that redefines performance. The power and performance of the Ariya will encourage drivers to explore further. And Ariya's advanced driver assistance technology like ProPilot provides you with a new way to move through the world. And Ariya is beautiful, with every detail an unmistakable mark of impeccable Nissan quality and traditional Japanese craftsmanship. As the excitement for the Nissan Ariya builds, look out for more highlights in the coming weeks. Before you know it, you will be driving your own force of wonder.